Hi everyone! Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a store, spotted a drink and thought, wow, that looks fresh and cool, I have to try it? Well, that's the power of great branding. It's your product's identity, the thing that grabs attention in a crowded market. Like you guys know, packaging isn't just about looking good, but it's about telling a story, capturing attention, and giving your product a personality that truly stands out. Welcome back everyone, I'm Dian, your go-to place for all typefaces and designs. Today we're diving into creating packaging for carbonated drinks. We're gonna go for a playful, vibrant, and unforgettable design. Are you ready? Let's hop onto Pinterest and get those creative gears turning. First things first, let's gather some design inspiration to get our creative juices flowing. Pinterest is my go-to for brainstorming ideas. Let's search for carbonated drink design packaging. And now, let's talk about colors. For our carbonated drink packaging, we're going for a bright and summery vibe. Think tropical sunsets, refreshing poolside days, and that zesty spark you get from that first sip of soda. Remember, your color palette is more than just aesthetic. It sets the mood for your brand. For example, if you want to convey energy and refreshment, stick to bold contrast and vibrant shades that pop. Let's head over to the display category and pick a playful font. Fonts are key to shaping your brand's personality. So, for our vibrant summer theme, we're going with Hello Friday font. Its rounded, bubbly letters scream fun, energy, and playfulness. It's perfect for a refreshing carbonated drink. Next, let's find a font for the tagline below. We'll go with a sans serif style, and honking is the perfect choice. It's clean, modern, and complements the playful vibe of Hello Friday without overpowering it, ensuring readability and balance in our design. After gathering some design inspirations and selecting our fonts, it's time to provide some quick yet useful design packaging tips. Designing packaging involves considering various factors to ensure effectiveness and attractiveness. First, the packaging design should accurately represent the product, communicate the brand's value, and maintain consistency across various sizes. Second, the packaging should be functional, considering the materials used and their environmental impact. If possible, choose recyclable materials that last a long time. And of course, you should obey the law. Ultimately, the design should be functional and environmentally friendly to maintain brand recognition and trust. Now, we've got our design inspiration and typography locked in. It's time to start designing. Let's open Adobe Illustrator and create a layout that makes your product stand out on the shelves. First, we create an artboard before starting our work. Next, we add the name tags in Hello Friday font. Type the word crust. It will be the brand name for this carbonated drink. And after that, modify the tracking so that the space between the letters is balanced and visually appealing. To separate each letter so we can edit them individually, right-click on the text and select Create Outline. And after that, choose Ungroup. The next step is to add an accent to the letters. Here, for example, in this R letter, we can give it a long curve effect using the Direct Selection tool. This will make the logo more distinctive and playful. To make it more proportionate, we can enlarge the letter C to emphasize the first letter of the word crust. Now, let's add another element. We use the ellipse tool to create a line cut object. Then, using the pen tool, create lines to separate the cuts. To create a cut effect, select the line element, then go to Pathfinder and select Divide. This will automatically cut the lime object along the lines we created previously. We now incorporate an offset path effect to give depth to the design. Let's go to Object, then Path, and finally select Offset Path. Reduce the spacing to -4 to create a line effect in the inner area. Separate the previously created object to get a more realistic lime cut object. To achieve a smooth outcome, we make the object's corner slightly curvy by altering the radius. Place the lime cut object at the top right corner of the text, precisely above the letter H, to create a visually appealing fresh accent. Next, adjust the colors of the logo using the palette that we've prepared. For the lime object, use green, and for the text, change it to orange. Ensure that the size and proportion of each element are balanced. This is crucial to maintaining harmony in our design. Add a tagline carbonated drink under the main logo using the honking font. As usual, adjust the size to balance it with the main text, and then alter the color that fits the design the most. The next stage is to design an alternate logo to add variation. Copy and paste the main logo, then modify the size of the letter C to match the other letters and delete the tagline. Finally, we save the logo and apply it to the packaging mockups. And here it is, our final design for crushed carbonated drinks. What do you think? The vibrant gradient, the bubbly details, and the playful font make it stand out, while the layout keeps it clean and professional. Plus, the lime visuals and refreshing colors perfectly capture the zesty, energizing vibe that we want. It's eye-catching, fun, and tells the story of the brand in just one glance. Let me know your opinion and suggestion in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss our upcoming videos. Also check out our other tutorial videos as well. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time, and bye!